Good morning, students. I hope all are fine. Okay. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 4, negative sentences. Okay. Chapter 4, negative sentences. Clear? Before starting this new chapter, I hope you already have done the previous chapters, exercises, lesson 1 exercise and definitions you have already done. Those who have not done, please do it. And lesson 2 definitions are not there, only you will do the exercise. And in lesson 3 I have given the definitions only, and exercises already I told you how to do, so I hope you will complete your work timely. Okay, so let's start the next chapter, chapter 4, negative sentences. What is the meaning of negative? Negative means what is the meaning of negative? It means something does not happen, something does not take place. Okay, something does not happen or something does not take place. We use the negative words like not, no, never, none, nobody, nothing. All these words are the negative words. So with the help of these negative words, we use the negative sentence. Okay. So negative sentence means, what is the meaning of negative sentence? Negative means something does not happen, something does not take place. Okay, and one by one we will study about all the negative words. So first of all, let me write here what are the negative words. So we use negative words. We use negative words like not, no, never. Okay, all are the negative words I am writing here. Not, no, never, none, nobody, nothing, nobody, nothing, neither, nor, etc. Okay, many and more are there. So we use negative words like not, no, never, none, nobody, nothing, okay, neither, nor, etc. Okay. So with the help of these negative words, we make the negative sentences. One by one, I'll give the example of each negative word here. I'll give one by one all the examples. Okay, let's start with the example not. Okay, let's start with the example not. So, not example I am writing here. It is not raining. Okay, so it is not raining. I have given the example of not here. In the first example, I have given the example of not. It is not raining. Okay, it is not raining. Another example I will write with no. Okay, no. I have no car. So another negative word I have used here, no. Another negative word I have used here, no. First I have used here not. It is not raining. Second I have used here, I have no car. Okay. So not example, no example I have given here. Another example of never. He never obeys his elders. So which negative word I have used here? Never. Which negative word I have used here? Never. So first I have used here, it is not raining, use of not. I have no car, use of no. He never obeys his elders, use of never. Okay, use of never. Okay, now come to the next example. Come to the next example. None but he knew the truth. None but he knew the truth. Okay. So which negative word I have used here? None. Which negative word I have used here? None. Okay. So not I have used, no, never I have used here, and none. None but he knew the truth. This is the another example of negative word. Clear? All these are the example I have written. All these are the examples of negative sentence. And which negative words I have used here? Not. In the first example I have used here not. In the second example I have no car. No is also negative word. He never obeys his elders. What is the negative word here? Never. None but he knew the truth. What is the negative word I have used here? None. Okay, so all these 4 examples I have given. I hope it is clear how we use these negative words in a sentence. How we use these negative words and how we can make the negative sentence. Clear? Now rest of the examples also I will write. Rest of the examples I am going to write here. Till use of never we have already studied. Now use of nobody. Okay, not, no, never, none we have already done. Now nobody. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth sentence I am writing. Nobody. Okay, nobody is in the building. Nobody is in the building. Okay. So which negative word I have used here? Nobody. Which negative word I have used here? Nobody. So nobody I have used here. Okay, this already we have used. No, no, never. Not, no, never, never, none. Now use of nobody I have written here. Nobody is in the building. Nobody is in the building. So use of nobody. Okay, use of nobody. Now the next word is nothing. Next is nothing. Use of nothing. Okay. So we will do the, there was nothing in the room. There was nothing in the room. So which negative word I have used here? Nothing. Clear? There was nothing in the room. Which negative word I have used here? Nothing. So now which one is left? Neither nor. This example I will give together. She is neither Russian nor American. She is neither Russian nor American. So which negative word I have used here? Neither and nor. Which negative word I have used here? Neither nor. So you can see here all the negative words I have used in the examples. Okay. So use of not, no, never, none, nobody, nothing, neither, nor. So this example, nobody is in the building, use of nobody. Okay. Use of nobody. There was nothing in the room, use of nothing, this negative word. She is neither Russian nor American. So here use of neither and nor. Okay. I hope all the negative words with the examples, it is clear now how we use these negative words in the sentence. Okay, how we use these negative words, not, no, never, none, nobody, nothing, neither, nor. These negative words, how we use in a sentence, already I told you. Okay, so these are the negative words with the examples. Clear? Some more examples we will know. We will write here. I am going to write here some more examples. How we make negative words from the positive sentences, negative sentence from the positive sentence. Okay, how we change affirmative or positive sentences into negative. That I am going to teach you. How we change affirmative or positive sentences into negative. Okay. First let me write the example of positive sentence. Okay. She is a singer. She is a singer. This example I have written here. She is a singer. Okay. So here this is the example of positive sentence. Okay, this is the example of positive sentence. Positive sentence means when we don't get any negative word. Any negative word we don't get, like no, not, never. Earlier I told you, no, not, never, nothing, nobody. These words, when they don't come in the positive sentence. Okay, that is the positive sentence. It means something happens. Okay, or it tells us that something happens or something takes place. Positive sentence. Okay, in positive sentence we will not get any negative word. Clear? In positive sentence, in the affirmative sentence, or you can say the positive sentence, we don't get any negative word like not, no, never, none, nobody, nothing, all these. Okay. So how we change affirmative or positive sentence into negative, that we are going to study. So this is the positive sentence. She is a singer. This is a positive sentence. When we change into negative, what will be the answer? When we change into negative, what will be the answer? She is not a singer. So answer will be she is not a singer. So she is not a singer. So you can see here how I have changed positive sentence into negative sentence. How I have changed positive sentence into negative sentence. Clear? One more example. He was my classmate. Okay. First, he was my classmate. Another example of positive sentence, he was my classmate. This is the another example of positive sentence or affirmative sentence. How we change into negative sentence? How we change into negative sentence? So I know you all of you know the answer of this. What will be the answer? Answer will be, he was not my classmate. He was not my classmate. So just see the another example. He was my classmate. And when, how we change into negative? How we can change into negative? By adding not. He was not my classmate. Okay? He was not my classmate. Clear? So I hope it is clear. Okay, one more example I am writing here. They are good citizens. Okay. One more example I have written here. They are good citizens. Okay. This is the affirmative sentence. This is the positive sentence. Okay. When we change into negative, what will be the answer? How we will change into negative? Okay, I know you know the answer. What is, how we change this sentence into negative? They are, so answer will be, they are not good citizens. Okay, so we can change this in this way. So you have seen already how I have changed affirmative sentence into negative. Okay, how I have changed here positive sentence into negative sentence. Okay, another example I am giving. I am going. Another example I am giving here. Some people were present there. Some people were present there. Okay, so some people were present there. So this is the affirmative sentence. This is the positive sentence. How we change into negative? How we change into negative? Okay, I know all of you know the answer. Some people. So when we change into negative, it will be like this. Some people were not present there. Some people were not present there. Okay, so this positive sentence, you can see how I have changed into negative. Some people were present there. This is the affirmative sentence, positive sentence. And when we change into negative, it will be some people were not present there. Okay, some people were not present there. This is the negative sentence. Clear? Okay, now come to the next point. I hope this much it is clear now. Come to the next point. Now the negative sentence in simple present and simple past tense we will study. Okay, before starting this next point, separate one chapter of tense is given, so there we will study in detail. Okay, here how we change the simple present tense into negative, simple present affirmative sentence into negative, that we are going to study. But about the tenses you will study in the detail in the next chapter, not next chapter, in the first semester it is. So there I'll teach you in detail. So first start with simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. So I am going to write the simple present tense structure. I am going to write that. First of all I will write the affirmative structure or positive structure, positive sentence structure, and then negative sentence structure. Okay, then it will be easy to change affirmative sentences into positive sentences. Okay, so structure of this: subject, okay, subject, verb base form, base form of the verb. Okay, base form of the verb means first form of the verb, first form of the verb. Forms of verb, one separate chapter is given there. Please just open that chapter and at least you learn all the forms of the verb whatever given in your book. Okay, it is very important. So prepare the forms of verb here. Now subject, verb base form of the verb. Let me tell you in which chapter it is given. Forms of verb. Those who have got the book, easily they can prepare this. Forms of verb, page number 86, lesson 21. See here. Just see, forms of verb it is given. It is very important. So prepare it. Every day 2-3 words you take and prepare it. Okay. It is not compulsory prepare all the forms of verb in a one day. Prepare just every day you read it, that's it. Okay. So this is the base form of verb. First one is given, first form of verb, or we also say base form of the verb. Okay. So verb base form, here I have written base form of the verb. Clear? And then object. So this structure I am writing of positive sentence. This is the structure of affirmative. Let me write here. This is the structure of affirmative or positive. Okay. This is the structure of affirmative or positive sentence. Okay. So we'll make it first of all one affirmative sentence, and with that affirmative sentence we'll make the negative. So first I am writing here, I write a letter. I write a letter. You can see here, I write a letter. This is the example of affirmative. You can see here, I have used here subject, which is I. Verb I have taken write here, and object is a letter. I write a letter. So, okay. Here I am writing the negative structure. Negative. That will be subject, then do, does, then not. Okay. does not, and then again verb base form here, base form and object. Okay, this is E, this is object. Okay, subject, do, does, not, verb base form and object. Clear? So this sentence, when we change into negative, so it will be, this is the structure of negative, and it will be I do not write a letter. Clear? I do not write a letter. So as you have already seen how I changed affirmative sentence into negative with the help of this structure only. Okay, we'll do the more examples. Okay, so I am writing here another example. I am writing, if I take the subject she writes a letter, then here we use does not. Here will be she does not write a letter. Okay, so I told you earlier, in detail you will study in the 10th chapter. Just I can give the little information of that. With I, we, you, they. With I, we, you, they, more than one name we use do, he, she, it, and one name of the person we use does. So she writes a letter, so here we have used she does not write a letter. Clear? Another example I am writing here. They play football. They play football, and when we change into negative, so earlier I told you with I, we, you, they. Okay, with I, we, you, they, more than one name, plural names, we use do. So here will be they do not play football. Okay. They do not play football. Clear? So I hope simple present tense it is already clear with how we make the affirmative sentence into negative. This is the structure, we have to remember this structure only. Negative structure, subject, do, does according the subject. If subject is he, she, it, one name of person, there we use does. With I, we, you, they, more than one name of the means plural names, we use do. Okay, so here answer will be they do not play football. Clear? So for today's this much only. We'll continue the same topic in the next video. Till then you just revise your lessons, revise your chapters, okay, and complete your notes. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.